Bullman. Bullman, what are you doing? I told you it's got to be in English. For goodness sake, you've had literally all year to learn this. Right, give me the book. I'll read. You can listen as well. Once upon a time, the people of Toy Town were just about ready for Christmas.
Oh, go and catch the turkey, son. I need to get the feathers off.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, Turkey, it's your big day.
But then, a terrible discovery was made.
Oh dear, it's Santa Claus.
Oh, cranberries. One of his arms is missing.
Oh my God! My arm! Where's my arm? Please, someone please help me find my arm.
The villagers searched as hard as they could, but nobody could find Santa's missing arm.
Master!
You called.
I've brought you his arm, Master.
I could eat 10 more of those, couldn't I?
Yes, Master.
But first, we must ruin Christmas entirely. Give some of my presents to the people. Go and bring me Santa Claus too, alive.
Blummy neck! Why is someone always trying to scupper Christmas?
And the policeman went to tell Santa all about it.
They may have taken my arm, but they'll never rob me of my Christmas spirit. Today, I'll deliver the most important present of my Christmas career.
And as night fell, Santa did exactly that.
It's a present. I'm going to open it and spoil the surprise.
Surprise indeed! Bring out the secret weapon. It's a Christmas pudding.
A pudding? Please, no. Kill me.
Welcome to the new Christmas! From now on, you'll be spending it in these fabulous cages, eating this delicious gruel and enjoying these utterly foul presents. And when Christmas Day is through, you'll grovel before your new master.
Oh dear, it's much more serious than I thought. I'll just have to surrender one of my legs.
But Santa, you can't.
I'm afraid it's the only way. Santa? No! Show yourself, Christmas fiend.
Santa Claus.
I've decided to give myself up. You can have my leg, but please leave the villagers alone. They've done nothing to you.
Oh, I'm going to eat your face.
Master, you've had too much Christmas lunch.
What's happening to me?
But it was a poison lake, you cretin, made of all the things you despise. Presents, good food, pretty decorations, and of course, happy children.
Santa may have defeated the anti-Christmas demon train, but he was now a shadow of his former self. All he wanted to do was get down on his knees and cry, but of course he couldn't. His knees, and well, most other body parts for that matter, had all been blown clean off.
What's this? A bomb, probably.
But it wasn't a bomb. It was all of Santa's missing body parts. Someone had decided to return them to him.
Oh, somebody, fetch me my sewing kit.
And with that, Christmas was complete again. And more importantly, so was Santa. Bullman, where's your mother? She's not here, Bullman.
It's me. Merry Christmas, and thank you for watching.